Welcome back to the American Garage. Let me give you a quick update on the status of all of the pieces and parts going on the Coupe GT. I got new tires for the car already. I don't have the wheels just yet. We're still looking into the different sizes that we want. I'm finally settling on a 16 by 7 inch wheel with an offset of 30. So there aren't very many options in that size, so I'm working that out. The new upholstery is coming out fantastic, as you can see. This is the back seat after my first session over at the upholstery shop. The door cards are done and they look great as well. We'll be doing the same process to the front seats as well. I got a new stereo to put in the car, and I like the Alpine products. They were inexpensive, but still pretty nice. I got the stereo and the amplifier, the speakers that I wanted. So these will be going in the car as soon as the car is back and from paint, and we can start putting the interior together. I'm falling a little bit behind on the bumper project, and I want to get these finished up and ready before they're ready to lay the paint on the car, so we get them painted at the same time. But we also have that new front bumper and air dam that we got off the car in Maine. We will be trying that out and seeing which look looks better on the car, and then we'll go with that, of course. But I want to make sure we get this part underway and get it ready. There are parts like the center console that I'm redoing. I'm putting a fresh coat of vinyl, make it look new again on the sides. It looks going to look great. This is also where the new stereo is going to go, so I've got to get this ready. I'm working on lots of these little things while the car is being painted. So let's take a break and go check on the car, see how it's doing. So the body work has been done and the sanding has been done. We're waiting. The next step is going to be to get primer on the car next. Thanks for watching the American Garage. If you liked this video, hit the like button and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.